So day 3 in California. More junk.
We found junk. Good junk. Jeff is a viewer that was gracious enough to let us stay in the Fresno area. And his father owned like all this land here, and him and his sister own a couple of properties here, and they got all kinds of stuff that their dad's had for years, and he's collected, and allowed us to just wander around, see what he's got laying around, and hang out for the evening. So let's see what kind of stuff we can find. Model T
Tub.
tub.
That's like what we started with for the free tea.
This one has doors though.
Oh, ours had doors. They were just half fiberglass.
Yeah, we had rear doors and one front door.
This is basically what we started with.
Uh-huh.
1.5s. Ooh, here we go.
They're adjustable.
Bent spokes.
Fence, but
Or later.
A single.
This one.
2-speed over there.
Oh, another Columbia.
Oh yeah.
Matt's just sniffing them out. Dude, that wagon's pretty sweet. Try that.
Columbia 2-speed.
Dude, look how short the wishbones are too.
Yeah. I was in a little. I'd like to hear more about what this was in. Like a little dragster or something. Super cool.
Super small. Dude, the leaf pack even looks small. Like they took a couple leaves out of it.
Yeah, it might have. Mercury grill.
Sniffing anything out of there?
Should be fun. Old cans. I see some old wire wheels. Some old there's a pink scooter for Jay.
Where?
Right here, man. Gosh. Freestyle.
Fits your new Cali hairdo. Look at those curls. Oh man, we can't put that on YouTube.
Old bicycle wheels and tires. Stuff. I see a couple old car wheels. That's about it. Yeah, model.
Is that a T-bed?
Yeah, that's a key bed. That worked good with that body section that we saw with jeans.
Make a little roadster pickup.
Yeah, I could have put that together with this. Could have had a whole body.
I'm sure there's a spare T-frame laying around here. Something else was mounted here too. There's these big hoops.
Yeah. Yeah, you
must
see
have
this.
ran farm equipment or
Some
something.
man's
That's
big
crazy.
farm.
I wonder how they attach this stuff. They put. There's a carrier bearing there on that cross member
Yep.
to hold
The
that
big
giant
sprocket.
sprocket. That's pretty awesome.
I don't know if that head will be fixable.
It'll buff. You can buff that out. We were advised to be quite careful in this one. So let's hope we don't die.
Okay, definitely hasn't been opened. Knock and remove hat. Holy shit. Smells interesting in here.
My favorite.
Knock and remove hat.
Yeah.
Oh, here's a gauge. Water tank.
Definitely an interesting smell in here. Holy crap. I gotta watch how I stand up. There's cobwebs everywhere that Matt somehow missed.
I'm short. Is that light work? Nobody want to turn it up?
It looks like there's power right now.
Yeah. Over there I see a
Breaker
looks like
box.
you plug in. Yeah.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. See if we get electrocuted. Is this door open?
No.
Oh, let's see if we die. No. All the breakers are on and it's plugged in.
No bueno.
Is there a light?
Yeah, these are all
Hit that rocker switch, Jay. Stick your hand in there. Hey, let there be light.
Hey,
I'm glad you stuck your hand in those cobwebs, Jay. Stuff.
yeah, this shelf definitely
Collapsed. Oh, dude, that is.
a cat or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wonder it smells interesting in here. It smells like death.
That one's already. I don't think he probably has smelled in a while. Those guys lost interest already.
They're scared.
It's dirty.
Should have seen Jay trying to push the light switch covered in cobwebs.
Yeah, that was probably like. This has a wire running in it? In the.
Oh. It's an oven.
Looks like a cord that somebody ran on.
Oh, come on, knock those cobwebs down for me. Oh, you mother effer.
Oh god. Yeah, they haven't been back here in a while.
Is that a distributor there to your left?
Huh?
Oh no.
Wiper.
I'm gonna stay here. You can, let me know if there's anything cool and I'll follow.
Great. There's lots of cool stuff. You definitely should follow.
I'm gonna stay right here, Mr. Murray.
Because then there's a fire in here.
Where's the what?
There was a fire in here.
How long ago?
Years.
Oh yeah, look, the roof's all like stained black.
Yeah,
From soot.
the fluorescent light caught on fire.
Good thing we turned the lights on.
It was the old, the old school, the little 4-footer.
Yeah.
The valve got hot and caught on fire.
You're on your own back there, dude.
Yeah, I know. That's why I went back here.
I'll tell Kate how much you loved her when you it all collapses and you die.
His last words were 32 grill. You translate that to her like he said he loved you because he hasn't been back here. Oh, that's neat. Stromberg fuel pump tester.
Oh, that's a cool gauge.
It's like just hook it up and check your fuel pressure.
All right, bend over. Dude, you were covered in cobwebs.
Gotta do that to find the good stuff.
Ooh. Is there more?
A couple little things. I left some behind, but a couple of gauges. We'll see if he wants to part with said things.
It's 97?
Yeah, they're in pretty good shape. Something probably had.
They're moving.
Yeah.
You know, I looked at it and I saw the spoon pedal and I didn't even think to mention it.
I missed it the first time. Can cut a little bit. It's right there.
You probably have all those pieces from the fire.
I know that I just cut out. We'll put it on the pile over there then.
Backing up. Backing up. Rad.
Let's not forget about that.
How'd we miss that the first time?
I don't know. It was just the angle I was walking. I saw the design.
Is there a grill in that bin too? Did you look closely?
Yeah, let's look closer. I think you would have known that, but never know. And how do I even care?
Yeah, there's a roadster right there. It's really clean.
This sucker is cool.
There.
This is Jeff's.
You need those doors.
Yeah. Oh my god, yeah. I'd love to have these doors. Although I'm changing the body line at the bottom of mine, so.
Yeah.
I think you said
No, the car over there is the sister's. There's doors for a 35 over there. Truck. beautiful day here in Fresno. Our viewer, Jeff, let us stay in his camper. Jay got the bed in the front and hasn't woken up yet, and we're getting ready to leave for breakfast. So let's go make sure he comes along. We almost left without you, just so you know.
Again?
It's 7:30.
Why do you guys keep doing this to me? I thought I didn't hear the door open.
I think you got some good bed head there, Jay.
Thanks.
Good Lord. You barely see 2 cars ahead of you.
Yeah.
That's bad.
Typical site on the way to Turlock is everybody with their stuff on the trailer. We could shop on the drive.
Yeah, them early Ford parts.
59 Elko. Killer.
There's the cab. Somebody shorted it up.
Oh, okay, yeah, I see that.
Yeah.
They just tacked it together. There's doors for this too?
Yeah, there's one there.
And one, oh, I see.
And one
yeah.
there,
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah, he
Right out of the truck and digging for junk.
Yep.
Nothing changes.
So where are we at?
So we're visiting. So Larry here has been our gracious host for
The second year in a row?
second year. Yeah, yeah.
second year. He showed us the ropes for Turlock, so now we're seasoned vets. We knew what day to go, when.
He doesn't know what he got himself into.
Yeah, yeah. So we just now we show up on his couch. He knows it's end of January. We're gonna show up. So Larry's always got stuff laying around from yourself, the kids, the
Right.
nieces, nephews, everybody. So
Right.
we're trying to badger Jay into this pickup cab
Yeah.
that he has to own, and we're already shipping a pallet, right? Yeah.
We can put all your stuff inside the truck cab.
Good. Now, like I say, all my stuff. What about you guys buying stuff?
Come on,
Swap
Jay.
meet hasn't started yet.
Yeah, exactly. We're saving our money for the good stuff.
Okay.
Still won't buy anything by the end of the week. Is this what you bought?
Yeah, like
Turlock?
yeah,
No, it's Stockton.
I buy things and deposit them all over the country. It's what I do.
Friendly deposits.
Good thing it's car parts and not like children.
Well, I don't know. They haven't called me back. But no, these are cool. It's a Gemmer box, like an F1 pickup would have, but it was using a Chris Craft boat, which is a cool little thing, and you will often see in the little books they would reference using boat steering, and it has a little adjustable bracket.
Does it turn the right way as a car would? Because I know some boat steering boxes you have to
It
mount.
depends on the box.
If it doesn't, you just turn your arm up the other way.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
don't matter. I don't give a
I was just asking because I
I know,
know
I'm just saying I don't give a Either way. I'm just putting that out there.
Fine, I don't give a either, Matt.
I'm glad we're all on the same thing. No, this is good. It turns nice.
I like the wheel. It's neat with the.
It is.
It's like a billet wheel
Yeah,
and
I
somebody made
understood
wood.
it didn't come with a wheel, so when he put the wheel out there, I thought, wow, he gave us the wrong one. I'm taking it.
Oh, I don't remember.
Yeah.
Huh.
He was standing out in the road when we drove up.
Really?
Yeah, his wife called me. We were about 4 miles away. He said, "You guys on your way?" And I said, "Yeah, we're close." He said, "Okay, we're waiting for you." And I said, "All right."
Huh.
They had an old camper and a trailer, and the trailer was stacked probably about 8 to 9 feet tall. Was just looked like garbage and parts, and the motorhome was like 22 foot.
Wow, I missed a really nice box they had with a cool banjo wheel. That was being a cheap ass. And
No,
Yeah.
not you.
I know. And they sold it, but they had this one, and then I got it for reasonable.
I like the steering wheel. That is neat, isn't it?
Well, find something to trade me, and maybe you can have a steering wheel.
I don't need a steering wheel. I got a good one.
So, what's your favorite part about Larry's house?
Favorite part about Larry's house, other than the cars and the hospitality, is there's tangerine trees right in the front yard. We can go and pick one off. Ooh, I'm not tall enough.
Oh, baby.
That's for a tall guy.
Here, do you want me to help Matt?
Got it.
Nice.
Oh, I gotta eat that right away.
I'm gonna grab one for myself.
Yeah. Here's a good one.